Hey, what's up, people? Hope you're feeling blessed, feeling amazing. So, I'm going to show you guys exactly how you can start making money online today without any startup cost. Okay, so I know a lot of you have messaged me saying that you cannot find the money to invest in yourself. So, I found a way for you guys to be able to make money without spending any money. All right, all you have to do is click that link, create your account, first name, last name. You don't really have to put any certain address or any of this. You can actually make up this information if you want to. Put your email. You can make up a phone number if you want. None of that really matters. And then come here. All these questions here, they don't matter. Your answer doesn't matter. And then you're going to click, I have read and agreed to privacy policy. You must be 18 years or older to do this. So click this and then click submit. And then you're going to send me an email at the email I provided on the previous page, and we're going to get you started. All right. Thanks.